Hey guys, welcome back. If you're planning to take the DST GLS exam or the DST General exam, then this video is for you. In this video, I'll briefly explain the difference between the DST General exam or the DST JLS exam. Alright? So, let's get started. Marami kasi ang nagtatanong kung same lang ba ang coverage or same lang ba ang difficulty level ng DOST general exam and ng DOST JLSS exam. And of course, may question din tayo na kung mas mahirap ba talaga ang DOST JLSS exam. So, let's break it down simple and clear, right? First, for the DOST General Scholarship Exam, ito yung exam na tinitake ng mga incoming college freshmen or the senior high school graduates. So nandito or under nito ang RA 7687 and the Merit Scholars. So next is ang DST GLSS exam. Dito, nag-apply ang mga second year college students. Priority na dito yung mga students na under sa science and technology programs. May common coverage sila, may overlap. Both exams test your STEM aptitude. First is the logical reasoning. Under ng logical reasoning is the spatial reasoning, the verbal reasoning, and the nonverbal patterns. Take note, importante itong logical reasoning sa both exams. Second is English. So under sa English, may grammar, vocabulary, and reading comprehension. Basic pero tricky. So dapat huwag pabayaan. Third, mathematics. So under ng mathematics, may algebra, analytic geometry, trigonometry, probability, and calculus. Basic concepts sa calculus. Fourth is science. Under ng science is the biology, chemistry, physics, and earth science. Lahat ng ito rooted sa senior high school na lessons. Kaya yung mga notes mo sa senior high school, huwag niyong itapon, please lang. And now, let's talk the key difference sa DOST GLSS exam. The DOST GLSS exam goes deeper. Ito yung mas application-based, mas college level ang atake, and mind you, hindi lang siya dapat puro memorization, kundi dapat may understanding ng concepts and analysis. Take note of that. And take note, may additional sa DOST GLSS exam. Mayroong mechanical technical skills. Under nito ang mechanical concepts, technical aptitude, and ang practical na problem solving. Guys, mind you, ito yung topic na I found it difficult to study at first, but as I went through my review journey, I realized na dito ko mas natutunan ko yung mga processes and the techniques on how to conquer or how to answer these mechanical technical questions. Madali lang yan sa inyo guys, I swear. Alam niyo na yan, mag-brand kayo sa YT University. Diba? Basta, dapat alamin niyo yung napakaraming techniques. I-practice nyo. And you'll just found out na madali lang pala talaga siya. Lalo-lalo na yung sa puzzles, you'll definitely win the game. Right? And for the difficulties sa exam, sa DST, the General Scholarship Exam, and for the DST JLS exam, kayo na yung bonus ka. So, sa akin lang, is that by level siya. Sa DST General Exam, senior high school based, since incoming college freshman yung mag-take. And then for the DST JLS exam, since for the second year college students siya, so may intro talaga for college topics. Okay? And then with that, if you're looking for reviewers, for free reviewers, then you can definitely message me here at the top or any social media apps. And I'll just quickly reply so that I can give you the access for the DST scholarship reviews. So take note that these are not solely mine because I just gathered these from the resources I got from Google or any resources. And I also made my own reviewers, pero free pa rin siya, okay? So if you're looking for free reviewers, so you can message me and please start the grind. Start the grind, guys. I swear. Let's go, future escolar ng bayan. Bye!